Uh-huh. You thought I left. You thought I left. Now, that's all the podcast version is getting. If you're watching this on YouTube and you're seeing this part, now we're getting to our unboxing. So, got here our trusty knife here. I love this knife actually. And let's see. So it seems to be in a very secure package. I have ordered a mug before from Teespring, and I was very happy. I've ordered a mug before from another provider that when it got here, it was shattered. There's a reason I don't talk about them anymore, and that's it. Because they didn't feel the need to reimburse me for the place I made. But that's not the case with Teespring. So, coming off top, ta-da! Wow, okay. So I really like it. It's very true to the logo. You will notice, if you notice the Morning Cup of Merch logo, you know on these sides I kind of have just a little extra white outline to make that come out, and I have it on a dark background. The reason that I did not put this on a black mug is because I've ordered from Teespring before, I told you, and it was a black mug. I was supporting Roland Martin Unfiltered, which is a political show that runs here on YouTube. It's a daily digital show. But he did the black mug, but when it came to right here, it's just like they did the print part. And I'm like, if I'm gonna get a black mug, I want the full mug to be black, right? So I said, okay, for this one, we're gonna do one in all white. We're gonna do one in all white, and I really like it. I like the detail on it. It looks good. It's not the biggest cup. I like big cups of coffee, and maybe that's what puts me in such a good mood during the day. But nonetheless, I really like it. I will be using this next week. Obviously, I'm not going to put it right out the box and put coffee in it. I'm going to wash it definitely. But great job, Spring / Teespring. The great thing about it is, and what I like about ordering samples on Teespring is that it's not like with merch. So like with merch, if you go in and you order a shirt, you're gonna have to price it low unless you want to pay full price and just wait the net 30 for you to get your product in. But with Teespring, once you make your listing live, you can actually purchase it as a sample, very similar to Printful. However, you don't have to do it every single time. So you don't get the restrictions. Like with Printful, you can only get X amount so much, depending on how many points you have, X amount of samples per month. So that's not the case with this, and I absolutely enjoy this.